Hello students, I hope you have seen the previous video in which we discussed the definition of relation, types of the relation. So today we will start exercise 1.1. First sum here, determine whether each of the following relations are reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So here our relation R is defined on the set A. Set A is equals to 1, 2, 3 up to 14. Now R is defined by all the order pair xy such that 3x minus y is equals to 0, and we know that relation R is a subset of Cartesian product. So R will always contain order pairs. So we have to consider all the order pairs which satisfy 3x minus y equals to 0. Now here please note that we can take value of x from set A. Similarly, value of y should also belongs to set A. So here 3x minus y equals to 0. So y will be 3x. Now let us take different value of x. So for value of x we have 14 choices, 1, 2, 3 up to 14. And we will get the corresponding value of y. So when x is 1, y will be 3. So y belongs to set A. Why? Because 3 belongs to set A. Similarly, when x is equals to 2, y is equals to 6. 6 also belongs to set A. Then when y is 3, x is 3, y will be 9. Again 9 belongs to set A. Similarly, when x is 4, y is equals to 12, which belongs to A. But when x is equals to 5, your y will be 15, where 15 does not belongs to set A. So this relation R will contain only 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9 and 4, 12. Only 4 order pairs R will contain. Now we will check the reflexivity, symmetricity and transitivity. So let us check reflexive. So if the relation is reflexive, we know that A belongs to R. So here A has 1, 2, 3 up to 14. So if R contains 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 up to 14, 14, total 14 such order pair in which x is equals to y, then only we can say that it is reflexive. But here we can say that 1, 1 does not belongs to R, 2, 2 does not belongs to R and so on, 14, 14 does not belongs to R. If suppose out of this 14 order pair, only one order pair also does not belongs to R, then also we can say that R is not reflexive. Now let us check symmetricity. So to check whether the relation is symmetric or not, what we need to check? If AB belongs to R, then BA should be in R. So here we know that 1, 3 belongs to R, but 3, 1 does not belongs to R. That's why R is not symmetric. Now for transitivity, we know that if AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R and AC belongs to R, then if AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, then AC belongs to R. This should satisfy. So here 1, 3 belongs to R and 3, 9 belongs to R, but 1, 9 does not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not transitive. As I told you in the previous video that whenever we want to check transitivity, we will only look at the pair which end from B and which start also from B. That means if here we have 1, 3, then we will look at the pair which start from 3 only. Okay. So if we are checking for AB, then other pair should start from B only. So here this relation is neither reflexive nor symmetric and nor transitive. Sum number 2. Here relation R is on the set N. We know that N is a set of natural numbers. Okay. And relation R is defined by all the order pair xy such that y is equals to x plus 5, where x is less than 4. So we have to choose all those natural number which are less than 4. So natural number starts from 1. So we will consider x is equals to 1, 2, 3. We cannot take 4 because x is less than 4. Okay. So when x is 1, y is equals to x plus 5. Therefore y is equals to 1 plus 5, 6. When x is 2, y will be 7. When x is 3, y is equals to 8. So here R contains only 3 order pairs, 1, 6, 2, 7 and 3, 8. So here we can say that x is equals to 1, 2, 3. We can consider for x 1, 2 and 3. So 1 1 2 2 3 3 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not reflexive. For symmetricity, here 1 6 belongs to R, but 6 1 does not belongs to R. Therefore it is not symmetric. Now see, here for transitivity we need to find the pair. Here if we consider 1 6, so we have to find one pair which start from 6, but we don't have any pair. Similarly, if we consider 2 7, but we don't have any pair which starts from 7. Similarly 3 8, so we don't have any pair which start from 8. So here the necessary condition does not satisfy. Therefore we will assume that this relation is transitive. So this relation is not reflexive, not symmetric, but transitive. Okay, now question number 3 is homework. Question number 4. Relation R in the set Z, where Z is set of all the integers. Now relation R is defined by x minus y is an integer. So we have to consider only those x and y whose subtraction is an integer number. Now we know that Z contains only integers. So subtraction of two integer number will always integer, right? So we can say that here this relation is reflexive. Why it is reflexive? Because if you take 1 1, the 1 minus 1 is 0. If you consider minus 3 and minus 3, so again minus 3 minus minus 3 will be 0. So for all the integers, we know that x minus x is always 0 and 0 is also an integer. So we can say that here for every x belongs to Z, xx belongs to R, hence R is reflexive. Now for symmetricity, we know that x minus y is an integer. If x and y are integers, so their subtraction will be integer. Now Z contains all negative, positive integers. Therefore, we can say that minus of x minus y is also belongs to Z. And therefore, y minus x is an integer. So here we can say that xy belongs to R, implies yx belongs to R, and hence R is symmetric. Now for transitivity, x minus y is an integer, y minus z is an integer, and we know that subtraction of two integer is also an integer, or addition of two integer is also an integer. So let us add this two integer, that is x minus y and y minus z. So we will get x minus y plus y minus z is equals to x minus z, which is also an integer. So we can say that this relation is also transitive. Question number 5. Relation R in the set A of human beings in a town at a particular time given by, where x and y work at the same place. Okay, so let us check the reflexivity. So x and x are the same person, so obviously they work at the same place. So here this relation is reflexive. Now for symmetricity, if x and y work at the same place, then y and x also work at the same place, which is obvious, so the relation is symmetric. Now check that transitivity. So x and y work at the same place, y and z work at the same place, so obviously x and z also work at the same place, so this relation is transitive. Here one more example is xy, where x is a wife of y. So check reflexivity. So since x and x are the same person, she cannot be the wife of herself. Therefore it is not reflexive. Now if x is a wife of y, y cannot be the wife of x, and therefore this is not symmetric. Now for transitivity, if x is a wife of y, then y cannot be the wife of anybody. Therefore, we can say that here xy belongs to R and yz does not belongs to R, and hence R is not transitive. Hence R is neither reflexive nor symmetric and nor transitive.